In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a ClickUp client dashboard. So if you want to share your dashboard in ClickUp with any contact, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. All right, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open dashboard by clicking on dashboard here. And then you'll see a list of all the dashboards that you have currently in ClickUp. For my case, I only have one, and this is what I want to share. To share it, head over to these three dots here and then click on them, and you'll see down below share and permissions. If you click on this, now you have this option to share by name or email. So if you click here, you can go ahead and invite someone, enter the name or email of the person you want to share. Alternatively, you can also share by link, and this is just a private link that you can copy. So if you click on copy link, now the link will be copied and now you can share it with anyone. So that's how you can share your client dashboard in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.